Today we're going to do a Notan design, which is a Japanese term for light-dark harmony. So for this project, you will need a large piece of white paper, a square black paper, scissors, glue stick. So the first thing I like to do is to take a pencil and mark the corners, and that helps me remember where to place my black square each time I've cut a side out. So I like to try to avoid the corners for that reason, and I like to cut a shape out from either side. Once you have a shape cut out, you have to flip it directly over so it's exactly opposite. But don't glue it down yet. Maybe you want to cut out a design in the middle and then flip that one back where it came from. So you can do this as many times as you wish. Once you have everything in place and you're happy with it, you can go ahead and glue down just those little pieces, not the big square, just the pieces on the side. And then move your square back to the corners, and here we are. Side one is finished. So now you can move on to another side. This time I tried an X-Acto knife. If you don't have one at home, that's fine. As you can tell with this one, my design fell off the page completely, and that's totally fine. Let it fall off. Actually looks kind of cool when it comes out of the edges, I think. Some people plan out a design ahead of time. These were completely random. I just sort of tried to take out as much as I could and would flip-flop back and forth. Some people like to cut all their shapes out first and then glue it all together, but then I find it you can lose a piece or it's hard to know where things go. So I like to just do one side at a time. If you're finding the glue is sticking to your fingers and it's hard to manipulate, just wash your hands in between. So now I think I've done all four sides, and then I just take a look and go, is there anywhere else I can maybe cut something out just to make it interesting? So here I added a few more dots to kind of go with the dots which look like eyes on the right hand side. I cut a few little slivers out from the corner, glued those down. Now that I'm happy, now I can glue down what's left of my black square. So flip it over, maybe move it away from your paper, add a little bit of glue stick all over the back. And now try to line it up as carefully as you can with the corners and all the pieces that match. Pat it down, and you're done. I really like these. I think they're really cool examples of negative and positive space. So you can make yours as easy or as challenging as you wish, and have fun.